Okay, so today I'm working on my asymmetrical arrangement. So I'll go through my materials. I've got my bowl container, I've got some wire, some tape to secure that in place. I'm not sure I'll need them this time, but I just have my rubber bands from handy. A few types of scissors, and my wire cutters, and I've just got my gloves handy as well. Again, I might not need them, but I've just got them there. All right, so I'm going to start with preparing my bowl, and then I will show you what I've got on the table for my ingredients. So I'm just going to, because this is the side that I cut, so I'm just going to bend that down. Okay, and then bend it on itself a few times. They're a tiny bit big, so I'll just go back. Yep, bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it, and I'll just bend that one back on itself. Okay, place this in. And I'm going to secure it in place. And one on the other side. Alright, now I'm going to pop a bit of water in this so it's a bit more stable, and then I'll show you what we're working with. Alright. Featuring my dog. Hey Keithy. Alright, so put that to the side. So we're going to start with this. So this is a pineapple lily. It's quite large, but I'm thinking I'm going to cut a length from the top here, and I'll tidy it up. And so this will create some height to my arrangement. Now another interesting little piece that I'm adding in for my greenery is I've got this passion fruit vine. So these items are just all from either my garden or my parents-in-law's farm. So I went foraging this morning for some things. So the pineapple lily and the passion fruit vine, and then the main foliage that I'm adding in is this. So this is croton, I believe. This is from my garden. Got 3 pieces there. And the last one is just some ruscus. Now for my flowers, I'm going to have the focal flower as these beautiful proteas. I think that's how you say it. Protea. And some other flowers I'm going to add in is this. I've got a single Joba daisy. That one was grown at my parents' farm. And I've got 2 types of roses. So I've got this beautiful red rose and this lighter pink rose. So I've got 3 of each. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it, but I've just got a small amount of this gelatin wax, and it's the bulb type as well. So I thought that will time really lovely with the colour scheme that I've got going on, which is reds and pinks. Yeah, all right. So let's start preparing some things. I'm going to start with, I might leave this for last because I'm not too sure if I'll use it. So my roses, I'll just tidy them up. Now I don't have any rose strippers, so I'm just going to cut and be careful with them. So I've got my pink roses. I have already stripped these ones, so I'm just giving them a quick little clean up. Yep. Now my red roses I have not stripped, so I'll do that now. Just being careful with these in case there's any little thorns. Alright, so I've got my roses. I don't need to do anything to prepare these, and I'll have a quick look at my gelatin wax. But it's looking pretty, sorry, not my gelatin wax, my Oscars, but it's looking pretty good already. Oh yeah, this one, take a bit off, and same as this one. Alright, so I've got 4 pieces of that. I've got a bit more if I do need it. These look pretty good as well. Maybe just this one. I'll take off a few of these lower leaves. Okay. And last will be my pineapple lily, but I am going to wait until I pop it in the bowls just so I can test out the size. Alright, so I'm just going to clear up a little bit so I've got a bit more room. Alrighty, so starting with this big one, now I'm going to take it from about here, and so then we can work with it. Just cutting on an angle. I'll pop this other piece back. I'll be using this for something else for sure. Alright, now I'll tidy up this top first. Let's see. Now, I'm just going to chuck it into test. I know there's still, I'll take these off actually. Just going to test the height. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's looking pretty good. Alright, now it's a little bit unstable at the moment, but it will become a bit more stable as I work. Alright, I'm going to go in next with my croton, just because they've got a bit of a larger stem, so I just want to create some room for them. I'm going to add one in over here first. Down to the bottom. I cut the base off this one just for it to be a bit shorter. Alright, I might just do 2 for now, and I will add in some of my Oscars now. I'm going to trim that down a little bit. I am creating it from my side, so I'll twist it around at the end and show you, but oh, can't seem to get the right hole for that one. I'll move it over. Okay. Alright. Add in a few more of these. Trim that down again. I'm gonna start creating some different heights now, so done in some, I want a small one down the front here. There we go. And some at the back so that it doesn't look quite as naked. Do the same thing, do a nice short one at the back. Alright, I add in a nice short one of these. See how that goes for the height. Bit more.